This is cabin 2495. It's a category FO rear or aft balcony stateroom on Carnival Horizon. It's a rare one. It's on deck 2. You don't normally have balconies this low down that aren't coves, but this is at the back of the ship. There's your power out. There are your power outlets. You had 2 USB, 2 US, and 1 European. There was your hairdryer, and there is your fridge. You notice the floor is a different color when they're family harbor rooms, and you also have access to the family harbor lounge. There is your bed. TV dead opposite the bed there. You saw the sofa bed, or the sofa right next to it. You got bedside tables there, and here is your balcony. As you can see, it's a slightly obstructed view, but it is a balcony nonetheless. Decent size. Coming back into the room. Even the towels are a different color for the family harbor. Here's one of your shelving areas there. There's your safe, some drawers at the bottom, and then you have 2 areas here for hanging clothes. You'll see the big mirror on the left, the door as I just opened it. Have some small clothes to hang there. And here is your thermostat control. And lastly, we're going to show you the bathroom. One last look into the room. So that is cabin 2495. It's category 4, oh sorry, 2. It's a category FO, can't get my notes right. And it was circled where it was there. So yeah, that was 2 twin beds converted to a king. That was a sofa, not a sofa bed. I'd like you to notice. Well, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when future videos come out. And also you'll see to the left and right of me, there are some more of my videos you can watch. Also, you can join my lovely little channel here. Hit that join button next to the subscribe button on my main page. We have 3 different levels you can join at. And if you join at the highest level, I will name a suit after you. And every time I wear that suit, I'll have your name in the pocket. I will sing your name to the rafters, maybe even at karaoke.